Tiles or flooring are often one of the first things people notice when they enter a space. They have a big impact on the overall design, durability, and functionality of an area. That is why it is important to choose the right type of tile, especially in areas of our home that are exposed to moisture, such as bathrooms, kitchens, and utility spaces. So how do we know which tile is right for each area of our home? Hello homeowners, DIY builders, and to all our valued Wilcon shoppers. This is episode 1 of the Wilcon Tile Series, where we will help you to understand the basics of tiles and how to choose the right one for your space. Are you ready? Let's talk about tile basics. At Wilcon Depot, we offer a wide range of tile solutions that caters to different needs, styles, and applications. For today, we will differentiate 3 of the most commonly used tiles: porcelain, semi-porcelain, and ceramic tiles. Let's start with porcelain tiles. Porcelain tiles are made from finer, denser materials. Since it has low water absorption property, the tile has high density. Therefore, this contributes to how durable the porcelain tile is. Because of these properties, porcelain tiles are recommended for high-traffic areas such as shopping malls and hotel lobbies. Let me show you the large format tiles. Verona Gibbet Polished Floor Tile, 60 by 120 centimeters. This tile features a smooth and polished finish that gives a clean and modern look to any space. Aside from aesthetics, it is also durable and designed for long-term use. Porcelain tiles are often recommended for bathrooms and kitchens. So if your priority is durability and long-term value, porcelain tiles are a reliable choice. Next, we have semi-porcelain tiles. Semi-porcelain tiles provide a very practical balance between strength, performance, and affordability. This means it is a type of tile that is perfect for everyday use without the higher cost of full porcelain, especially for residential units. It is denser, making it more durable and more resistant to everyday wear and tear. One of its key advantages is its moderate water resistance. Because of this balance, semi-porcelain is a practical choice for residential flooring. Let me show you the Arte Ceramiche Cisco Series Matte Floor Tile, 60 by 60 centimeters. This type of tile is ideal because it gives you more affordable, clean and modern finish, good durability for everyday home use. It is recommended for living rooms, bedrooms, and other indoor areas that are not always wet. Lastly, ceramic tiles. Ceramic tiles are low density and budget friendly. However, compared to porcelain and semi-porcelain, they have higher water absorption. That is why ceramic tiles are suitable for residential and low-traffic areas and wall applications. An example of ceramic tiles is Sol Ceramica 30 by 30 Sunstone tile. This is made from natural clay that's been shaped and fired at high temperatures, making them hard, dense, built to last. This makes ceramic tiles a reliable, low-maintenance choice for modern homes. It is recommended for walls, decorative finishes, and low-traffic areas. Now here's a quick recap. What are the differences between porcelain, semi-porcelain, and ceramic tiles? Porcelain tiles are best for durability, high-traffic areas, like commercial spaces, residential areas, and other outdoor areas. Semi-porcelain tiles are best for everyday indoor flooring like living rooms and bedrooms. Ceramic tiles are best for walls, decorative finishes, low-traffic areas, and budget-friendly projects. By understanding the differences between porcelain, semi-porcelain, and ceramic tiles, you will be more confident in choosing the right tile. With the right tile selection, you can achieve a clean, durable, and long-lasting finish for your project or space. So which tile is right for your space? Visit your nearest Wilcon Depot branch or shop online to explore more tile options.